North Carolina. Cleveland County.
Central Burke County in western North Carolina until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Oh, here we go. Not really, but still.
Your focus store was located 10 miles south of Morganton or near South Mountain State Park, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
And you didn't go off.
Radar indicated.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Impact. Minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include South Mountain State Park and Pleasant Grove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Turning you on now.
Brief damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines over small areas.
Perfect activation
A brief
SVR.
period of large hail is also possible.
I didn't expect
Seek
that.
shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling
Toll-free 1-800-267-8101.
or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Burke, Cleveland, and Rutherford.
Okay, GSP. Just do that.
The National Weather Service